I spray painted the top to the jar. And then I'll show you over here 3 that I'm working on right now. This is like a sample, so this one was like $25, but for a whole set you can go to my Etsy store, you save 10 and get 10% off a set. So I'll need to do the jar. So this is the jar here and the top is over there. I think usually I have red ashtrays, but this is gonna be a Winnie the Pot head. Of course, this is Notorious, Biggie Smalls, and then Eeyore, really cute. I did spray paint this glass ashtray though. My images, I'm about to cut them out. The top to the jar has dried, so I'm about to just cut out my images and place them on the trays.